This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, May 29th. Starting out with the stock index futures, there was some weekend news now that the political situation in Italy has heated up a bit. So this has affected all of the financial markets. So a new geopolitical problem developing, adversely affecting the indices. I would think that there may be a little follow-through weakness over the next day or so. But ultimately, I think this geopolitical problem will only have a temporary negative influence on stock index futures, as have all of the other geopolitical problems that we have come along over the last 9 years. We still have the relatively low global interest rate environment that is there as a backstop. So I remain optimistic on stock index futures longer term. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index advancing, the euro currency sharply lower. So it does appear now that Italy will have new elections as the populist parties are meeting head-on with the pro-European Union establishment. So this is very much a negative, at least in the short term, for the euro currency. Also seeing the Canadian dollar and the Australian dollar both lower as crude oil prices coming under some pressure today. Interest rate markets sharply higher, especially at the long end of the curve, as flight to quality buying coming in, of course, in light of the geopolitical problem, this new issue in Italy. I think that over the next few days, we may see some additional flight to quality buying. But this type of move usually has a short-lived impact. Longer term, it still appears that the Fed is on track to raise interest rates in June, probably another one in December, 2 or 3 more rate hikes next year. So the main trend for the interest rate futures markets is lower. However, there may be just a little more follow-through buying, some flight to quality strength that may last just another day or two in the credit markets. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.